Same thing, muted strings, 16th notes. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 E and a 2 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1. Even if we miss one, that's okay. If we miss a down or an up, that's okay. As long as we are in time, rock solid. We want to be so confident that we can support that drummer, the vocalist, the bass player, everybody. The people we're playing for, they're dancing, so we want to support them. 2, 3, 4. How do we get people grooving? Rock solid rhythms in the pocket. One, 2, 3, 4.